Bro, yo, yo, bro, what is she doing? Oh my god. Alright, boys. Today, we're gonna be reacting to my boy Dub. And on all over TikTok, I know y'all boys seen it. I've seen it. Everyone's seen it. He's been making these food reviews for some time. And they're hilarious. Just because of the random stuff he be saying. And I want to react to the video. Why not make a video on me reacting to it? It seems that it'll be entertaining. Hopefully y'all are entertained. Shit, this video is an hour long, so grab some snacks, sit back and relax. Let's enjoy this. Come on.
I am at Dollar Tree right now, and Dollar Tree has some of the best food for exactly $1. $1.25. I have 4 people from LA. They claim they're chefs, and they're going to make me a meal only using $10.
That's crazy. I will be honest. Y'all seen my breakfast video? By the end of this video, I'm gonna be able to determine if I'm genuinely better than these 4 people right here.
They probably thought this was gonna be a typical Dub video where I bring stuff for you. No, you gotta do stuff like this. You're in a Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree have a lot of good stuff. Like I could literally make chicken taquitos, whatever they call it. Get this sauce with that.
I'm not gonna lie, Dollar Tree is a good ass store. Like, there is so much stuff in Dollar Tree.
You can literally make whatever. All I did was tell them to make a meal for $10. Very simple. Look at all this stuff that we have. We got pizza, $5. I see one girl asked for shrimp. Yeah, where do you want shrimp? It's literally right there. 2 things of shrimp. Which shrimps can for $5? We got chicken patties. We have burritos. We have egg rolls. We have chicken. We have real chicken salad.
Yeah, this guy's in heaven right now.
Bacon chicken salad.
He glazing the heck.
Tostitos. We have. You literally can make an entire.
Alright, let's see his haul. You got white rice. He already losing. He's trying to be too healthy. He's trying to be too healthy. He already losing. When you're trying to win someone's taste buds over, you cannot make healthy meals, because healthy meals aren't necessarily good. I'm not gonna lie, I don't eat my healthy meals because they taste good, bro. I eat it because I gotta be healthy. Bro, if a cheeseburger was healthy, I'd be eating that shit every day. I'm gonna be honest. Like, if a pizza, like a nice savory pizza, was like genuinely healthy for you, you can gain muscle off of that. I'm on that every day. What is he trying to make? Alright, he has rice. I saw like greens and like some garlic bread and then just a bunch of sauce. You got like no meat. Like, you need the meat. I didn't see if he got meat or anything. Out of these 4, he's not winning. I'm gonna be honest. He's not winning, bro. Then we got Klay Thompson with freeforms over here. This boy, he does not. He don't know how to cook. It's gonna be one of the girls for sure. One of the girls is gonna win. Her, she was saying how she wants shrimp, seafood. Never get low quality seafood, bro. You're gonna have Dub shit in bricks. Therefore, my analysis, she, the one with one finger up, will win this challenge by the end of this video. I'm calling it right now.
You're not confident?
No, I'm not confident.
Then why would you get it?
Because I didn't get the vegetables. They had no salad.
She's not even confident. She's cooked. She's cooked. See, I'm telling y'all, he don't want no healthy shit like that, bruh. He trying to have a good meal, like a good, tasty meal. Talking about some salad. Bruh, she not winning.
You could have made a pizza, like a taco. You could have made anything.
Oh my god, I know Dub too well. On my life.
You got anybody got money left? $3.
Nigga, $3? Fuck.
Okay. So the thing is that
Listen, he could steal the win right now. Klay Thompson can steal the win right now. He just said he has something basic. If this nigga only bought a pie of pizza and like one other thing, like some like maybe like fries or like rice or like something, he might win. I feel like Dub might just be biased and give it to this nigga. But I feel like she's genuinely gonna cook the best. The other girl's gonna cook the best, but he might win just cause Dub.
Which it did, but it should be in here. It should be like some plates. I'll get them out for you. And we do have seasonings right here. Bunch of seasonings.
Oh, so then you have to buy seasonings.
We also have
This nigga bought hot sauce and shit. Retard. Oh my god, this nigga freezer.
sticks of butter left.
Big ass fridge.
Now let's just keep it to what you got. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The butter and the seasoning. We got ketchup. We got mustard. We have
Alright, only sauces and butter? That's straight.
just not anything else. Anything dairy. Well, I don't know what dairy is butter, but yeah. Let me show you this is.
You should be allowed to use butter. Butter is just like
Anything y'all think y'all need.
if everyone's allowed to use it, there's no advantage to it. Because it could make your dish worse.
Y'all need anything else?
Do you have like this spray? What is it called?
It's olive
The
oil.
vegetable spray thing.
Olive oil.
Spray butter.
That's just what oil is and butter. We do have version
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
oil.
He just gave you a whole thing of oil, olive oil. Like, you wild, bro. You asking for too much, huh?
Oil and stuff like that. So, I mean, y'all can get started. Just keep in mind, if you have a simple dish, you probably want to come in here, turn warm. Well, I'm already doing it for y'all, and then warm be started. You know what I mean? Now it's gonna warm, and then you don't have to be cold. So, let's not be bored. Let's talk. Let's cook our food, and then whoever gets the best food, go to cash prize. Y'all ready?
Cash prize. With Klay Thompson. I'm not gonna lie. He might win. Like, based it off like what he was saying he got, because I didn't really look at what anyone got except the little nigga with the glasses. He's saying he got something basic. Dub was already talking about y'all should have got something basic. So he's already like him and the other girl. I have a feeling that other girl's about to cook, bro. Like she was the only one asking for like spray and shit. Like she about to go crazy. Oh my god, this nigga has glizzies and pasta. Never mind, bro. Away from Compton, away basic. That's valid though. Like I understand, but you ain't gonna win. Nah, that's bad. That's bad. You can't be eating out loud. This nigga, he's coming last.
I'm gonna just say, look, since he said I cook already, I don't make this a lot, but it's like something I eat all the time, so.
Oh, nah, he's smart. He's smart. Instead of getting random bullshit at Dub like, he got something he knows how to cook. That's smart. I ain't gonna lie. I mess with that. He don't care if Dub like it. He just knows how to cook it. So he knows like he got a guaranteed good meal. We just gotta see a Dub like that shit. That's valid. Hey, he just got like 3 points. I'm fucking with him now. She's coming dead last. Let's see what she could over here. Bro, she's about to go crazy, bro. I'm telling you. Look at her. She about to go crazy.
When I say this butter hard in the mug,
Bro, I take back everything I said for the last 11 minutes and 20 seconds of this recording. She's coming dead last. Look at, bro, you can't get a knife, bro. Couldn't get a knife or... Come on, bro.
dang. Shit, it feel like some ice cubes. The butter not even melting. It better melt, y'all.
Bro, what is she doing? Oh my god.
Cause I'm gonna be mad. Let me get some seasoning.
Let's be her. Actually, bro, yo, yo, this nigga Dub about to be furious, bro. Not one good looking meal yet, bro. You got, you got some cheap glizzies with pasta, and then you got a nigga just making rice, just white rice with pasta, and I don't even know what the hell she making.
A projected 30-minute video. I asked him to record while he was in the Dollar Tree. Didn't get that footage yet. But this shouldn't take that long. It's not like they're making chicken that take 22 minutes. They're making whatever they picked. So projecting this is gonna be a short one. I know these usually be an hour, and hopefully it don't. Because I can't.
Brother, your video is an hour.
I'm mad because I don't even know what they picked. You know what I mean? So you know how usually I get mad and be like, why would you blah blah blah? I can't this time. So yeah.
So she says she be cooking on some shit. But she holding a KFC cup right now, nigga. And you cooking with one hand, bro. And what is this nigga doing? Oh my god.
I be making like
Yo, where did Dub find these people?
savory.
Oh god, beef stew?
I'm so good. I know how to make. Yeah. You feel me? That's what I was looking for. The cheese.
Okay, she got sausage. I'm messing with the sausage. I feel like sausage you can't go wrong depending on what you mix it with, bro. You got a good sausage, mad easy to make, mad tasty. You put a nice sauce on that. Boy, she knows. Right now, her shit I would eat. She made a lot of sausage too. Nigga Dub gonna be eating.
Macaroni. I ain't talking about that. You feel me? That's the type of cook I eat. I know how to make donuts from scratch. You feel me? Yeah.
Y'all got me thinking. I
No, I ain't do what I'm doing.
can't think.
Don't forget, you have to clean up. Y'all have to clean up as you cook, okay? That's what I would do. Where is it?
Say that again, because some kitchens be dirty. They be having all the stuff out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, trash. Then the floor be dirty. It's crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna skip to where Dub actually eats it. Nigga, who is?
How my skillet like that though?
Another.
And it be having me thinking, this is what a nigga in prison is going through. You have no idea who's making your food. It's like this. A nigga can get stabbed in his abdomen and then still gotta go in the cafeteria to go make you that squash. That vanilla squash. That vegetable.
Bruh, I be forgetting like in prison the prisoners be making the food. Like they be like kitchen duty. That's crazy. And what is he talking about, bro?
So what I'm doing is
I'm so lost.
literally, if I might go to jail for something eventually, I'm just preparing myself to go to jail. I'm making random people make random food for me. So it's basically like I'm going to jail, like some jail shit. To be honest, when you think of it like that, that's basically.
And it's
like
crazy
what I'm
'cause
doing.
This is how this nigga actually thinks. Like, I think he's dragging it a little bit because he knows that he's getting mad views off of it because it's funny, bro. Like, but the way he's able to like just make some shit up like that out of his head and just go with it so smooth, like that, bro, bravo, bro. You dead ass him.
To be honest,
Alright, I don't know. What they made, that little gas. See, I was peeping that. I know like what they all started with. He had like hot dogs and like pasta. And then had like rice and pasta. She had sausage. I didn't really see hers. But okay. Off of let's see.
Hey, just cut that part. Cut that part.
Bro, damn, whoever made that made a lot of food.
Oh, my bad. No. Yeah, I will never eat your hot leak ever again. My bad. How you want it?
Was it good? Or no? Was it good or nasty?
Oh, it was good. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, it was good. It was good. It was good.
Bro, why you eating a hot dog too?
It cost 10 minutes. Like, I'm genuinely confused. Like, serious. All right, y'all. So I'm literally still waiting. Very not excited, but I think it should be good. It smell. I feel like 4 different smells, so it should be good. But if this video is long, I didn't need it to be. I promise I didn't. Literally.
What the fuck is that, dude? Dub ain't gonna like this shit. That's all I'm saying. Also, why is it taking them like an hour to make this basic ass food? Bro, get this shit off of my screen.
So it depends. It depends. So yeah, we got the mac and cheese.
I bet. She got.
We got the mashed potatoes. We got the vegetables because.
Alright. Hers is probably gonna be the most complete meal, like I was saying. I take back what I take back. She might win. Cause she actually made a good value meal. Like, let's see the other. I feel like the other, like I saw the other one, like just sausage and pasta. Like, that's valid though. I'd fuck that shit up.
got them hot wings, and you cannot forget the ranch or the ketchup because we don't know. But yeah, look at it. This is a Dollar Tree, bro. Dollar Tree, a real home cooked meal from Dollar Tree.
That's crazy.
Thank you.
AJ,
That's
you
crazy.
know what I'm saying? So, I mean,
Same name, brother.
rice, vegetables, sauteed vegetables, chicken pasta.
Alright, this shit look garbage. I'm gonna be honest. I knew he was coming last. I knew he was coming last.
Hey, I just have to search around at Dollar Tree, you know what I'm saying? This was under $10, so, you know what I'm saying? You can always make.
I mean, shit. I mean, if you don't got the money, bro, you need a quick little meal. 100%. Go to anywhere you can get food. Man.
A little gourmet meal for under $10.
What is that, bro? Is that dumplings?
You know, you just gotta do.
They look like dumplings. All right, let's peep this. I just feel like there's no like weight to this meal, bro. Except the dumplings, but like nigga has like 9 dumplings. You really about to eat that whole thing of dumplings and then that whole thing? That's crazy.
Do it right. You know, I got the teriyaki glaze sauce on here with the sweet chili infused in it. White rice, king go roll, 2 pieces of bread. Hey, hope you like it though. Never know. Everybody tastes good.
Hey, it's your girl Nicole Rose, and
She went super basic. This was more basic than the other nigga who was talking about he got than AJ. Hers is really basic. I thought hers was gonna be worse.
you know, I only had $10, but I want to make spaghetti. So you know, I got the sausage, I got the noodles, the sauce, and the toast.
If she would have done shrimp with the pasta, yo, low key, she probably would have won.
Then, you
Like,
know,
in my book, she would have
so
won.
it don't matter. Just taste it, okay?
Yes, that shit look like I would make this at 4 in the morning while I'm playing video games, just for a quick snack, like awesome shit.
And it is seasoned.
And it's decent.
So they're done, and this is my $10 meal from the Dollar
Wait, where was the?
Now,
Alright. I was already knowing that he was just gonna get fries in one thing. He lost. He's dead last.
I waited an hour for this.
I'm not gonna lie. I'll be mad as hell too, cuz.
For a fucking hot dog?
Lie, bro. Like, let's try it. We cannot
Man,
just
I
try
know.
it.
Yes, I can. And these, some nigga makes spaghettios with $1 solid cream. This is a lot. Now this is crazy. $10 got this. It's what is this? This ankle?
Chicken wings. Wait, I think that's chicken wings or something.
Bro, I'm not literally asking you the question. I'm just speaking out loud. All right? My bad. This look like potatoes, but it's not. I'm not gonna lie. From prettiness, the more prettier plate would be this one. But just like I say this, all light skinned niggas is not pretty. All dark.
I'm gonna be honest. I was going the other way. His shit the ugliest. Only because there was no like, bro, this got meat, this got meat, that has meat. Bro, what does that have, bro?
Skin niggas ain't pretty.
Like, there's no balance to that meal, bro.
So it doesn't matter what's pretty to me. At all. So first we're gonna try this one right here. Got a hot dog and fries.
This shit looks so ass. I feel like you can't go wrong with this fries. The hot dog look burnt as shit.
Like hell greasy. These are not air fried fries. Yeah, see? Look at that. That's grease. No paper towel. And left it in there. The reason why my
Damn.
hands so greasy is because they did low heat, kept them in there for a while, they soaked, took a while to get them out. I'm saying when it's hot. It's super cold to the touch, like. Alright. Not bad at all.
Why is he eating a hot dog like that? That's like, what are you doing?
Not bad at all.
This nigga took the wiener out, bit the wiener, put it back, ripped it, and it took the little piece. Bro, that's crazy.
Alright. Not bad at all. Hella greasy. So,
Man, our boys don't got a
I
fork.
don't understand the garlic butter. Garlic butter is not, it's nothing. Like, no one cares about garlic.
I'm gonna be honest, he's right but wrong. A good garlic bread, I'd fuck up like 20 of those. But like cheap garlic bread, like there's no way niggas actually buy that. Like, I feel like that's something you only get like a nice restaurant.
But it looks like we have the same thing here as that. Not bad.
Oh,
I remember at the dollar store, it did have a lot of stuff that you can make this with. The fact that it took 45 fucking minutes to make this, at night, fuck everything else. This,
nah, this shit is taking me like 20 minutes tops, bro.
crazy.
Right, ain't no way you not gonna. Bro, this nigga Dub eat like a fucking weirdo, bro. He put the fork through the meat. You supposed to take that bite, bro. Or you don't take that much pasta so you can take it from the bottom, but you still got enough for meat. Now you're just gonna have a bunch of pasta in your mouth and then one little thing of meat. Who the fuck eats pasta like that, man?
Okay.
There you go. That's a good bite right there. That's a good bite. A valid bite. Oh, that shit looked ass.
It tastes just like what white people spaghetti is. Like if I have
Yeah, it looked like what?
to a white home, this is what this tastes like. It's not bad, it's not good, it's not terrible. Just white people.
It's just there, like that shit only. Like I swear, food like that only be food like that to fill you up, bro. Not even for you to enjoy it.
This is a boneless chicken in the shape
That's
of a
boneless?
chicken wing.
What the fuck,
What the hell is going on?
nigga? That shit is probably overly processed, bro.
Bro, look. Like this is
That's wild. That's wild.
No. Okay. That's,
Okay, he went for a second bite.
pretty damn hell. Yeah, you can. Jesus. Oh my god.
Mac and cheese look ass.
Okay. Macaroni ain't that bad. Probably not that bad.
Macaroni look bad.
Very disrespectful, no seasoning. Now this should be the best tasting one. It should be. And here, let's taste the rice. Rice is overcooked, very hard. They put no salt. No salt at all.
Yeah, that nigga is sold.
Seasoning, Pepsi's good though. Ain't gonna lie. Right? The protein. I think these called like I forgot what these are called.
Dumpling.
Rolls or something like that. Or dumplings.
That's a dumpling. Ain't no way he wins, bro. That nigga wins, bro.
Okay. All right.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna put my final votes in from last to first. Last, he hated the wings. The wings mashed potato one. It's either that one's last or the spaghetti and meat one that like last. I don't know. I feel like he hated all of them but the last one. Like, bro, like I don't even think I can do last to first. I think there's only first, bro. Like he genuinely did not like those first two. Damn, bro, I keep squirting them with that.
Don, feel me, went to the Dollar Tree. Did some flight, not really cooked, you feel me, but came, showed up. Got
You know what?
the link,
I'll give him his props.
from
He did what he know how to do. He didn't try and get crazy shit. Because that's just simple as fuck.
Elementary school shit. Alright, let's go.
Alright, so the objective was today was to make a $10 meal from the Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna lie, none of these were bad. None of these were terrible. Except that. I hand you your plate.
Except, bro, we gotta guess which one, bro. Let me see if I can predict which one he's talking about. Shit. I feel like it gotta be the chicken. Or the spaghetti, because he was so mad that that shit took 40 minutes.
I just need you to just grab your plate and just get the fuck out of here. Go back to where you was just at. Don't come back over. Alright? I don't know.
Because, bruh.
But the fact that you took it out the packet and still proceeded to make it is fucking crazy.
Nah, bro. I'd be shitting brick.
I hope it's not you or you. Now, whoever made this, I want no words, just grab it and just leave. Just leave. Go ahead.
I fucking knew it.
I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I thought she was gonna win. She came last.
One of the worst things I've ever had in my life. Boneless chicken in the form of chicken wings. No salt, no pepper on the veggies. Bad. The next thing that I have to eliminate, just because of what they got, it was hard. You know what I'm saying? It was hard to eliminate the next one. But the next one that I have to eliminate
It's definitely the hot dog.
would be this.
Yeah.
Hot dog. I have to delete the hot dog. The only reason why I have to delete the hot dog, whose is this? It was cold. Like the thing is that you had, if you knew you was making a hot dog, you should have waited until everybody was done, and then you left the fries in the grease too long with low heat, and it soaked up all the grease. Hella grease in there, bro. So yeah, do your thing with the fries. Wait, try a fry. What, you was trying niggas' food or something?
No, I swear.
Why? How do you do your thing with the fries though?
Because I never seen nobody fry it without that much grease, so I thought it wasn't that much grease.
Oh, yeah, it's soaked it up, so. So yeah, bro. You Yeah, you go up there, brother. Alright, so
Damn.
two things wrong with both of y'all.
Alright. The two people I thought were gonna win were eliminated first, bro.
Dishes. I don't know which one is which, but I'm gonna tell y'all the reason. This one right here is based off the rice, right? This one right here is based off the rice. This one right here is based off the noodles. The noodles in here are not. The rice in here is overcooked. It's super overcooked. This rice so goddamn hard, it don't make no goddamn sense. But it is a clear winner. It's a clear winner. I just want to say for this one, right? For this one, this is yours. All right, and this is yours. All right. So I want to ask y'all something about y'all later. Why the fuck is that sour cream?
So I put it on the side because you gotta taste it first. Try it. You gotta try it. You can't knock it down.
Did you try?
I eat it like that. I eat it
No,
with
did you
cheese.
try with that?
Sour cream. No.
Okay. And then the rice. If we drop that on the floor, the rice would break before the plate or anything else. What's up with the two breads?
Bro, I'm honestly, I did this for some fact. You know, it's like just a substitute for people that eat bread. You know, I just did it.
Nigga, I can't hear you. No, what do you mean a substitute for people that eat bread?
And dumplings with like a some bread or something else that I don't know, fine. But this is what it's like.
So, if I'm basing it off your dishes, I personally would. Dumplings was it's paprika in there, so it didn't do anything to the taste. And then this one, the noodle was hard, but then it was like we used hot dogs. Why I'm choosing this one to be the winner is because of the vegetables was heavily seasoned. They were very good. So yours wasn't bad, you made some white spaghetti, and yours wasn't good, you just made some very seasoned vegetables. So
Bruh. She was talking about, oh, my shit is seasoned. And he calling her white food. That's I can't believe this nigga won, bro. Bro, I can't believe it. I can't believe this shit. I really thought I had this shit figured out. That's crazy.
the dumplings wasn't talking about nothing. I mean, it wasn't talking about
Hey, it ain't no thing.
Like, did you try it? You didn't try nothing? Like, do you have any experience?
Alright, boys. Before we go, all I'm gonna say is I can definitely cook better than everyone here. Like y'all seen my cooking video, man. 100%. But hey, like, subscribe, let me know. I love y'all, boys. Safety.